Hello Wrangler World, I'm Mark Cantrell with WranglerFix.com. Today we are going to be talking about the P0016 code and how to get rid of it. The code is present when the camshaft and the crankshaft are out of synchronization with the OPDA or oil pump drive assembly on an 0506 TJ. When this happens, you will get that code and you have to make sure that all three are in perfect unison, top dead center in the OPDA, which is like the distributor on an older vehicle. And Crown is the brand of choice. I will leave a link for the Crown OPDA below, as the OEM part has a design flaw in it. You need to make sure and have that Crown product. But once all three are at top dead zero, you have to go in with a fancier scan tool from a 4x4 shop, one that has the capabilities of doing a cam crank relearn through the OBD2 port. It takes less than 5 minutes to do. It's very, very simple, and it will clear itself and get rid of that code as soon as you do that. Thank you very much, and thank you for your business.